Welcome guys, welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Glad to be back, glad to be here, just to serve you and give you my breakdown and my information and how I see things. Now remember guys, the channel name is about to be changed from Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle to something else. I go take out the kitchen because I'm not going to do any cooking on this channel. I'm going to make a different channel to do straight cooking. You can check me out over there as soon as I put up that channel. However guys, as again, thank you very much for your support each and every day. My heart goes out, enough respect, enough manners, enough love. Remember, if you like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and if you have not subscribed as yet, please subscribe so you can help this channel. Also guys, you can go over and join to be a member of the channel where you can get your shout out, get your perks, get your call out, and more things to come. Anyway, also you can help the channel to grow by supporting us. Now guys, we go get in the business. I want to call all the people who understand Christianity, understand the church, and understand a lot about fasting. Yes, come here because me need no help on the first part of this video. Also, I want to call Chrissy. Chrissy, come here, Chrissy. Cause this video is about you, Chrissy. The whole of this video is about you. Now, my viewers and subscribers, as you know, Chrissy last video she said she gonna be out for 2 weeks. So her 2 weeks, you know how they make video. They make video days in advance and post it. But her 2 week become 40 days. And apparently 40 nights. So Chrissy, you say you go up on fasting. Congratulations. Yeah, me now go beat you down for that. You say you go up on a spiritual fasting. Me now go beat you down for that either. But me go ask my supporters, my viewers, and my subscribers if them can help me learn about fasting, or if them think Chrissy do this fasting correctly. I don't know if it done correctly. I don't know how she really do it, but she said she stopped drink juices and some things. And while she was doing the fasting, she have to research of how to do fasting, what she's doing, if she's doing the right thing. I understand that. No problem with that. No disrespect with that. If you're doing something and you don't understand, it's good to check and ask how it done. Anyway, Chrissy, after you come out of fasting, you make this video of you and your kids doing Bible study, which is very good. I like to see you and your kids them react, and I like to see that Jay is putting things out, you know. But while seeing Jay, we all have to wonder what's going on in Jay's head. We don't know. I don't know. However, Chrissy, you say something, you see, where trouble me. Me not gonna lie, you trouble me bad. You say that only people who have sense will understand what you're talking about. My question to you is, you imagine all this time you say nothing about the situation. You went into fasting and you come out and you didn't say nothing about the situation. But then you disrespecting us by saying only people who have sense going to understand what you are saying or what you went through. Me no understand that. Me no get it. Me no see it. Because, to tell you the truth, there is no way you should have come out saying only people with sense go understand what happened when you go through and all that. You also say another thing. You would never, let me get up my book. I never dreamed of facing anything like this. Facing what? Now, again, facing what? Is it facing us talking about how bad you're doing? Or is it that you're talking about allegedly what your husband did to your daughter? Come on now, you have to explain the thing a little bit more. You also said, I'm at peace. You're at peace. Me don't understand. How can you be at peace when you're still strongly communicating with the monster that you're married to? You said you're pure with everything that comes out your mouth. Everything that comes out your mouth, you're pure with it. But what really comes out your mouth? All about you, yourself. You also said you pray for understanding. But what do you really understand? What do you really understand? You pray for understanding, meaning you asking God to show you the way, to lead you. That's what that means. Correct? Am I correct? But what do you understand? Because you didn't tell us what you understand. Also, you said the fasting allow you to forgive. Forgive who? And forgive what? It's funny. It's funny how you make the video the 12th of February. But you post it the 17th of February. If you make the video the 12th, because in the video you said you make the video the 12th. So the 12, 13, and 14, what did you do then? Because if you make the video the 12, did you do an early Valentine's on the 12th? Or you did Valentine's on the 14th? Chrissy, come on now. Please. I'm asking you. Don't do it. Don't take us for some people who doesn't know about life. Also, let me jump the gun. Also, let me jump the gun here, Chrissy. I wouldn't ask that question, but didn't you know that your husband, which is Mr. Larry, aka CMR, didn't you know he did a video of him going to the store to buy green plantains? And for some reason, you're making plantain porridge with the same looking green plantain, even though plantain all look the same. But for some reason, you make plantain porridge when your husband did a video of him buying plantains. You say you get a Valentine's flowers. Or somebody give you in a DM? Somebody DM you and give it to you? You also said that you're trying to lose a little weight. So, did you go on a fasting, prayer, spiritual fasting, or you went and just not eating, but read some books and read and talk to God? Let me tell you something. Nobody is here to bring you down. Nobody is really against you. We against your husband. We is fighting for your daughter, which is the victim. We're not against you. We just don't appreciate how you angle the situation. We do not like how you angle the situation. We don't think you angle the situation good. We know say you not angle the situation good. As a matter of fact, how comes your PR I go tell you say nothing say nothing? You believe me have a, let's say me have a PR and a boy trouble my daughter. What can that PR tell me that I going to not say nothing or do nothing? Are you crazy? No, me not do that. No PR can't tell me that. No, the PR job is to fix when me say what me say. That's the PR job. Fix it. PR job is not to tell me, say no, me can't talk about my daughter. Or me can't talk about a boy with do my daughter something. But you're late with this small little coming out saying you forgive. Because we still don't know who you forgive. And as a matter of fact, let's say a CMR you forgive. What you forgive him for? You forgive him already with the cheating. What you forgive him for? Did you forgive him say him talk too much? He shouldn't go up on the fix. What did you forgive him for? Or who do you forgive? Back to you again. You said, I never dreamed of facing anything like this in your life. What exactly you facing? Us talking about what your husband allegedly do to your daughter? Yes. Yes, that's what you're facing. Nobody ever dreamed of facing anything like that in them life. Nobody. But you know what happened? You allow it to happen. Yeah, man, you allow it to happen. Let me tell you something. You see all them camera, who know I say in a room and all kind of something? You allow them to happen. And remember, you know, up till now, all the information them where we gather is 75% of it come out of CMR mouth. Remember that? 75% of it come out of him mouth because of him who said when them catch the daughter play guitar. Remember him say that, you know? And after him said that, me I tell you, every one of them video missing. All of them video gone, them missing. We are no certain kind of expert if you can dig them up off of the web. Remember say up to so flow have some video and then go missing. Nobody really a judge you. Nobody really a try to beat you down. Nobody not try to deal with you in any rash way. All people a do is a try to say, do this for your daughter. That's all people are trying to say. Do it for your daughter and don't do it for yourself. Stop think about you. Stop think about yourself because you come out big and brawling and talk about fasting, which is good. But all now you don't say nothing about your daughter. Up till now you don't say one earthly thing about your daughter. You didn't even call your daughter name. All you say is you pray for the people. You pray for everybody in your house. But my question to you is, what are you really doing about this matter? It is said allegedly that you get an apartment. Don't quote me on that. Me not sure about that. It's just the information we're out there. So you get an apartment. Now, getting an apartment would be good to clear your brain, clear your mind. And also remember, go back when you said the house is more peaceful. Last year, you said that. The house is more peaceful. Now you say, you're at peace. What really did I go on in the house? You never happy in the house with your husband or what? What was the matter? As far as where you are trying to say is one of them day down the road, you will say something or you will say more. We don't want to hear that. We don't want to hear that. All you do is you just save this man. You are stand up to this man and him foolishness. You are help this man and him stupidness. You are help this man to continue live and operate like nothing will happen. And that's not supporting your daughter. You lose a lot of weight because you're still a worry. You're at peace, you're pure, but you're worrying, you're consider, you're confused, you don't know what to do. And I go tell you this, God tell you what to do. Yeah, God tell you what to do. From day one, you know what to do. I'm going to leave you upon this last piece of note. You say you ask us not to judge you by your past. Let me say something to you. From me, I watch you. Because me, I watch you a long time now. Me, I watch you a long time. I don't know how to pull it a prank. Me just stop watching you after me see some little things that go on where me never like. But the little when me see, what we not to judge you, or what we not judge your pan. What would I not judge your pan? Let me say this to you. The only thing we against you with is because we think you should do more for your daughter. You should say something. You should come out and stand firm for your daughter. That's all we are talking about. We not judge you because of nothing, because you want you watch the video them for you. And if we did judge you, I don't even know what word we use. We can't judge you just because you cry when your husband cheat by you. We not talk about that. The only thing we say, or me say, is you operate more. When him cheat by you, you cry. Make we see say you cry when him cheat by you. But when him allegedly touch your daughter, you not cry, you not do nothing, you not say nothing at all. Yeah, we have a problem with that. We not judge you. Yeah, we not judge you for them kind of things. It's just up to you to look into yourself and see to yourself that what you do is not welcome. Yeah, what you do is not welcome. And we don't like it. Yeah, we don't like it, so we go continue to talk about it. And each time you come out and talk your things them where we not see eye to eye with, we go talk about it, because this video where you do and sit down in a corner and talk no make no sense. Yeah, it totally no make no sense. And remember, nobody want to see you fail. Yeah, nobody don't want to see you fail. To be honest with you, we know, say, if you go out and do your thing, you can make it. We know that. Yeah, we know that. And the thing is, you wouldn't be the last or the first person to do that. Millions of people do that. Millions. But you just believe to yourself that you cannot go forward without the monster. But we know you can do it. You know you can do it, but you're just not sure. Think about yourself. Think about your kids. And you will make it. I don't come here for bash you. I don't come here for talk bad about you. But me just not understand your logics. Me not understand your talking. As a man who have kids, me not understand you at all. Yeah, man, me not understand you. Me not get your understanding. Me not get your thinking towards your kids. Yes, you are say you is a good person. And you also say something about, go back to my book. I know me. Chrissy, if you know you, and what you would have done, why you didn't do it? And let me help you. Let me help you with why you didn't do it. You are worried about the brand. Yeah. You are worrying about the brand. And that's important to you. Very important to you. But let me tell you something. When you put your brand over your kid, that shows who you really is. Because that's the only reason why you do that, you know. Your PR or whosoever talk to you, that's the only reason why you do that. And your PR are going to tell you, say, don't say nothing because the brand them are go drop off and your PR person are going to get our money, our pay, our him pay. Oh, me sound? Me sound like me hit the nail on the head? You have to remember this. A PR person I work to get a pay. And them go tell you where them think you need to do or where you need to hear. If you come out, and this is reality. If you come out big and bad and brawling, yes, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose a lot. Just like how CMR lose the bike contract that we have. So that mean you know, say, if you come out, because if you did come out and brawling and say something, you know, me I tell you, you'd have pick up a lot of contract. Hey, the amount of contract you would have pick up, you would not even believe. And the reason why you would have pick up all them contract is people go stand up and say, yes, you stand up to the monster. My viewers and subscribers, I never want this video to go so long, but you don't know, by talking and talking. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, remember, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and remember, Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle name will soon be changed. So again, thank you very much. Peace and love, enough respect. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.